Hello all, welcome to the fourth video of JavaScript tutorials. In this video, we'll learn about JavaScript operators. So before moving ahead, we should know what operators are and what type of operators are present in JavaScript. So we'll try to wrap this video up in a quick way. So I have written the operators and their examples. I'll share this code with you in the description. So I'll just go through this. So this is the variable. Uh, Understand this. This is 5 plus 6 and this equation. This 5 and 6 are operands and plus is the operator. So we are dealing with these kind of operators. So there are arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, and assignment operators. So first, arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are very simple. It's just a plus b. For now, in this case, it will return 9 because the value of a is 4 and b is 5. We have already declared them. Next, similar to that, there is subtraction operator and division operator, and one more multiplication operator. All right. So these are pretty familiar to you, but you might not be aware of this pre-incremental and post-incremental. What it does, it will increment the value of a with 1. So you can write this as, I'll just explain you quickly, a equal to a plus 1, right? So it will increment the value of a with 1, all right? So, and this is a post incremental operator. So if I run this code, see, is a pre-incremental. The value of a was 4, but this is the pre-incremental. It will increment the value before printing, before using. So it is returning the value of 5. But in case of post-incremental, it will increment the value after the operation. So it is still 5, but if we print this value again with just the value of a, we'll get, since it is 5, we'll get value as console log post incremental value 6. All right, okay, you don't need this. Similar to that, there are comparison operators. In this operator, we compare one variable or one operand to other operand. So first is very simple, equals to operator. A is equals to B. So is 4 equal to B? If not, then it will return false, and if it is true, then it will, if the condition satisfies, it will return true. All right, it is pretty simple. So if I try to run this, you can see here equals operator is returning false because they are not equal. Similar for not equals to, since they are not equal, it is returning true. All right, if you see here, it is returning true. Then there is a greater than operator. Is A greater than B? 4 is greater than 5? No, it is not. So it is it will return false, greater than. And for less than, A 4 is less than 5. Yes, A is less than B. So it will return true. If this condition satisfies, it will return true. If it doesn't, it will return false. Alright. Then there is this condition greater than equal to operator. It will check if A is greater than B or is it equal to B. So yes, it is neither it is greater than nor it is equal to, right? So A is less than B and it is not equal to B. So greater than equal to will return false. But in case of this less than equal to, A is less than B, but A is not equal to B. But since uh, one of this condition is satisfied, so it will return true. All right. Moving on, uh, there are some logical operators. So if you see, uh, in the last video, we have covered conditions in JavaScript. So if you have two conditions, if one is A is less than B and one is A is not equal to B. For now, we'll just make it equal to, and let's see. So for A equal to 4 and B equal to 6, this condition satisfies because A 4 is less than 6, but not 4 is not equal to 6. So if you see, uh, let's refresh. So there is no AND operator because it doesn't, the condition is not satisfied, because when we use AND operator, this is the AND operator, then we need both these conditions to be satisfied. A is the on both the conditions should be satisfied. All right, both should return true. Then only this this entire condition will get satisfied. All right. So let's go for the next. In this case, A is less than B. Yes, and or this is or A is equal to B. No, this is false. But since one of the condition is false, one of the condition is true in the false operator, then it will return true and it will execute the next line. You see, it is returning OR operator, even though A is not equal to B. All right. Here, both conditions should be true, but here, any one of the conditions could be true. All right. And the last type of operator, that is assignment operator. In this operator, we assign the value of B to A. So for now, the value of B is 6. If I print here, if you see, simple assignment operator is returning 6 because now the value of A is equal to 6 because we assigned the value of B to A. All right. This is pretty much it in the operators part. We've just gone through it quickly. Uh, so if you have any doubts on this, you can always uh, write in the comment section, or even you can do Google search on JavaScript operators, and you'll find here multiple sites explaining how they work. All right. So this video, all right. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Thanks.